Stop by and take a look at the 1998 D'Elegance. The D'Elegance from Cadillac is a masterpiece. The D'Elegance from Cadillac is a masterpiece of American luxury in a full-size sedan. The interior is filled with leather, chrome, and wood, along with some of the most comfortable seats you can find. And the trunk is large and easy to load for anything you could possibly want to carry. Driving this Cadillac is like gliding over the road and makes you want to take the long road trip. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.